Hello everyone, welcome to Image Processing. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to create a virtual environment and basic installations for OpenCV. It is very important to create a virtual environment. At the same time, it is also very useful for deploying your application. To install virtual environment in your computer, you need to type pip install --user virtual environment in your Anaconda prompt or command prompt in your Windows system. For Linux and Mac, you need to type python 3-m pip install --user virtual environment. Once you open your Anaconda prompt or terminal, you need to type pip install --user virtual environment in your machine and press enter. It will take a few seconds or few minutes to get installations. Done. It is completed. In order to create virtual environment, type following command in your command prompt: python -m venv freeai. For Linux or Mac, type python 3-m venv freeai. Make sure you have created one folder. Open your Anaconda prompt or terminal or command prompt. Set the path. So how to set the path? Copy the path of your current working directory and cd space and paste the path and enter. Now type python -m venv virtual environment, and what are the name you want to create. You can create the virtual environment of that particular name. Free AI is what I'm creating now. Enter. It will take few seconds to create virtual environment. Once the command is executed, you can see one folder with the name of your virtual environment and some folders which includes lib, include and scripts. In order to activate your virtual environment for Windows, type following command: /freeai /scripts /activate. For Linux or Mac, use python 3 space freeai /bin and activate. Once you are in desired folder, type the following command for Windows: /freeai /scripts /activate. And you can see that virtual environment is successfully created. That free AI